Hi everyone, this is Mai. Welcome back to my channel. That's my life. Today we're at the Silver Falls State Park in Oregon. There are 10 falls in the Silver Falls State Park around the loop. And let's go see how many falls that we can reach. I cannot wait to see this beautiful, amazing waterfall where we can walk behind the waterfall. This is my first time here at Silver Falls State Park in Oregon. Let's go see. Let's go check it out, everyone.
Take a little bit.
So we are starting off at the South Fall.
That's it. We're gonna take here. I'll go closer. All right, that's it. So, okay, we're gonna go to South Fall right now. Okay, here you go. And all right, come on, let's go. So now let's go down a little bit. And this is a South Fall Nature School. Now we're gonna go into the trail. Oh, and that's my message. Oh, and it's like it's a hard move. Let's see what we got here. Chắc mỡ yếu quá thì chờ đâu cho mình lên đầu cắm chứ. Wow, hả? See piece of water.
And then we can go down there.
Oh, okay. So I want to go. Okay. At the top of it. There we go. Yeah. Huh? Okay. Oh, there's the water.
Okay.
Dạ đấy.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
You want a picture?
Yeah. Alright, we were on top of the fall right now. We're gonna go down all the way to the fall right now. Ready? Okay. Now we're gonna go in down to the fall in a bit. Going down all the way to the bottom in a bit. closer and closer to the bottom. Let me see from here. Man, that's nice. Waterfall. Earlier we were way up there, now it's a little bit lower and lower now. Yeah, no, okay. And here the water is nice and clean. Yeah, no. Okay. Now got hot roof button. Okay. Oh, so. Joanna, okay. Alright, Papa. Okay, alright. Okay. Okay, so keep going. All right, now we.
Underneath the waterfall.
Waterfall down there.
Waterfall, no Oregon. Like we can have South Fork.
South Fork, what the name of it? Is it a state, whatever that is?
Still a state park.
Yeah.
We're gonna go underneath the fall.
Yeah, we can go underneath the fall. Okay, I get the money.
I'll get there.
I'll get there. Yeah, sure. Oh.
Good traffic.
Yeah.
Okay, we can go for it.
You can go.
Awesome. Thank you guys.
Sure.
We stall here a little bit.
Fun some pictures. All right, let's look back and I will just come back. Okay. Okay. There we go. We're under all this thing right now.
And then he got two slices for getting that food, and then I know why he got two.
Okay.
Đi xuống. Ngon nữa hả? Thật mong lạnh đá đấy ngon luôn.
Go. Okay, we're right underneath the waterfall right now. Under the literally under the
Under the rock.
under the rock.
Okay, be careful.
Oh, okay. Okay, as you guys walk, I take a picture from here.
Okay. Rồi chầm rồi. Yeah.
So, look, the rock is really low. Like the head.
You gotta learn how to bend.
Okay. That'll be, oh man, me too. It's okay. Oh, damn, look at that. Alright. Okay, let's see. From here. Here, from here. Oh man, look at this. Okay, here we go. We underneath it right now. Okay.
More big high.
Okay.
Rồi chàng lời. Chàng này.
Oh, there, nice.
Chàng là
See? Okay, we don't look nice. Some nước màu tràn con cua.
Are you going to throw me up? Oh, throw it, yeah. Para makan apa?
Quá đây mà. So eating your breakfast like today and then walking. Okay. Nó tới cái tới hai nhé. Okay. All right, here we go. Cả mà đạo xạ đạo plan. Okay, go ahead. We can go on that bridge.
Anuga House, South Fall Lodge.
This is
So
Canyon
those-
Trail is this way, so
This way?
yeah, I think yeah, we're following
Yeah,
the
near.
Canyon Trail.
Oh, okay, all right. So we're gonna go. Sorry, let me take this.
I don't know, they both look
Yeah, now we're gonna go
bad.
to. Okay, all right, we good. Okay. Now we're going this way, and we are good. Okay, we're going down right now. Going down the stair. Let's see, down from here, or going down right now. But later on, we're gonna come back up. At some point, I don't know where, how, when. But now. ដៃមួយកាន់ប្រកាន់ដៃមួយទៀតកាន់កាមេរ៉ាចោះថតអូ
Add another 40 years to yourself. You'll be in my book.
Okay. Yeah. I cannot see as good until you got to the spot. Okay. When you, yeah, all right. Yeah, we'll in a bit. Okay, stay right there. Say hello. Yeah. That's a good spot. Hello. Okay, all right. I'm going down right now.
Dạ cho bạn đó. Have had time with the waterfall? Yeah. Okay, awesome.
Okay, good. Okay, tao ở nơi cầm phơi đó. À, tôi nó có đào mơ đây.
You did it, man. So far. Yeah, I did it, man. 1, 2, 3.
Damn, that's one something already. So we come to the second one right now.
Lower South Falls.
Still in South Falls, and we just hit to the second one 5 minutes ago. And Power Ranger almost tired already. Oh my. Gonna take some.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're at the south, I guess south lower fall, right? Lower South Falls. Lower South Fall. It's amazing up here, everyone. Oh, chết off battery tiền hài.
Okay, alright. So we try to hit 7 of them today. But now, hey, at least we make 2 right now. Alright, let's see, wait for 5 more.
Đấy, thôi chụp cho nè.
Okay, cool.
Did you like the photo, Mom? Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Mọi thọ rúp.
Có
Trên
mọi-
đi nào đấy ngày, show nào đấy ngày. Oh my gosh, so beautiful.
Well, everyone, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.
So,
Out of the 10 fall, we only reached 2 fall. But we'll come back again next year. Once again, thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video that we will be going to Mossbury, which is my favorite waterfall.